Hi, I am Dr. Jitu Solanki and I work at Jorbeed Conservation Reserve. I am working here from last 15 years. It is very famous as a raptor paradise. He can see thousands of vultures here.
It's just amazing.
In this area, it's like a carcass dump site, and we are bringing all over from Bikaner, wherever there any death of the animal. So we bring all that animal here from many years, and they do skinning there. And after that, these vulture they have peaceful lunch there. So that's why they come from all over the world at this small area. And it is a very interesting site for the bird watcher, nature lover, and wildlife photographers.
अच्छा भाई बाड़िया में फलोट कर गया इयां के बाड़ी ऊंची बा तल जो है भी के नाम है
So they have they select some areas and they spend few days there and then put in the lorry and then again घर में कोई कौन दिल टावर कौन निकले
और मतलब वही पानी वो तक so the ये जगह में पूछ लो भाई क्या मतलब भी गिलास में